attorney, Alexander Dunlop.
August 5th, Lace Soup, 2007.
I am not a poet. I am not my words. Who I am cannot be spoken like this or like that. I am blue electric thunderstorm. I am blue electric thunderstorm. I am not peace. I am not love. I am fire flowing water. Thirst quenching, smooth, pure, molten lava. I am not hate or anger. I am not judgment. I am white hot blue heat. Icicles of frozen light, solid, dripping, melting off your outside.